This is another new Black World Order TV Productions. Chopper. So this is part 3 of ancient practice, right? Of merging letters with numbers and as it relates to our modern day language, English. So let's get it in. Gematria is that ancient practice. It had been revisited to us through supreme alphabets given to us by Abu Shahid, Father Allah, and the first 9 born. Right. So we're dealing with the alphabets from A to Z. A is a 1, Z is a 26. So we have a total of from 1 to 26 letters. And if you take the numbers from 1 to 26, as I said before, and add each of them up, you're going to get a grand total of 351, right? If you add 3 plus 5 plus 1, you get 9. 9 plus 351 is 360, okay? So that's one thing that's interesting about this language and its symmetry, okay? So we went over the word house, 1 letter, 5 words. The word door, 1 letter, 4 words. The word man, 1 letter, 3 words, right? When we take the simple, ordinary way, the ordinal, right? And we do not reduce the double-digit letters. When we take the numbers for house, 8 is a H, O is a 15, U is a 21, S is a 19, E is a 5, brings us to a total of 68. That one word, 5 letters, right? We have the word here, door, right? 4, 15, 15, that's double letters, and an 18 brings us to a total of 52, right? 52, right? We have that one word with 4 letters, bringing us to a total of 52. And this is the simple ordinal, right? Man, right? 13, 1, and 14 brings us to a total of 28. Right. So now I want to introduce you to the reduced, right, gematria, where you take the double-digit letters, because the O is a double-digit letter, the U is a double-digit letter, the S is a double-digit letter, and the O, right, the R, the M, and the N. Those are double-digit letters, right? So the ordinary way, we got these numbers. So now let's reduce them. The 8 will become a 6. The 8, is a single-digit number. Right? So you can't reduce that, right? The 15 will become a 6, right? Because 1 and 5 is 6. The 21 will become a 3 because 2 plus 1 is 3. The 19 will become a 10 because 1 plus 9 is 10, and the E is a single digit. When you add that up, reduced, it brings you to the total of 32, right? Again, the word door. We already did house, 1 word, 5 letters, and we reduced the double-digit letters. So now let's go to the next word, which is door, 1 word, 4 letters, and it has 3 double-digit letters. So when we take that 4, which is single, we don't have to reduce it. This becomes a 6. This becomes a 6 because 1 plus 5 is 6 is double letters, right? 1 plus 8 is 9, brings us to a total of 25, and 25 is a reflection of 52, right? It's mirroring. A mirror is a third eye that gives you another way of looking at something, right? So when we take man, 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 is a single digit. 1 plus 4 is 5, right? So that brings us to a total of 10, right? 10. So that's what we're doing when we're doing the ordinary, right? And then we do the reduce, right? You can reduce it, right? So this has been commonly told to us as supreme alphabets. Right? It is an ancient practice, right, by many ancient nations, besides the Jewish nation, besides the Islamic nations, besides the Christian nations, because these are Johnny-come-latelys, right? So this ancient practice of merging letters with numbers is what we're discussing. And we had door, house, and man, right? So this is more homework for you to do. You can do other words and then become very, very comfortable with it. And then you can navigate through the English language and see something totally different, right? Again, 1 to 26. 1 plus 2 plus 6 is 9. 3 plus 5 plus 1 is also 9, right? If we take 9 and add it to 351 again, we get 360, a complete circle. And that's what we're going to do We're going to go completely through the English language and become masters of the English language and see what the rulers are really saying. What has been hidden from you, but it has been hidden from you right in plain sight. This is another New Black World Order TV Productions. Chopper. So now we did supreme alphabets. Now we're going to go in the next video. We're going to deal with the numbers from 1 to 9. And we're going to see if you can outfox the fox and find the fox hidden right within 9 numbers. This is King Shah, and this is always a teachable moment.